In this video, we are going to learn the examples of exercise 9.1 of class 10th term 2. Hello my awesome students, welcome back to my channel Akshar. I am Nana and I usually make videos related to NCERT solutions for classes 9 to 12. So let's have an introduction that what we are going to study in this video. We are going to solve example number 3rd, 4th and 5th of exercise 9.1 and link for the remaining questions is given in the description box.
Let us start our today's topic, which is example number 3 of chapter number 9 of exercise 9.1. This is the example given before your exercise 9.1 of class 10th. Right? So what does the question says? Question says that an observer 1.5 meter tall, this is the observer, this is height of the observer is given to you equal to 1.5 meter tall, is 28.5 meter away from a chimney. So suppose this is the chimney, this is AB is your chimney. How far it is standing from the chimney? He is standing from the chimney at a distance of 28.5 meter. Then the angle of elevation of the top of the chimney, angle of elevation at the top of the chimney from his eyes is 45 degree. So this is the observer. If height is this much, so obviously the angle of elevation will be from the top of the observer. So angle of elevation means the angle which is upside is known as angle of elevation with the horizontal. This will be 45 degree. So we have to find out what is the height of the chimney. This AB we have to find out. Okay. So let us suppose this point is my D point. Suppose any another name AE. Right. So what is this? So AB is what? By the figure you can see very clearly that AB is equal to AE plus EB. AE plus EB. Okay. And or I can say that AE plus EB and CD. Figure, by seeing the figure you can see that EB and CD are also equal. Then if I will put the value of CD, what I will get? AB is equal to AE plus 1.5 meter. Let us suppose this is my equation number 1. Right. So now I have to find out the value of AE. So if I will be having the value of AE, then by adding 1.5 to it I will get AB. So how to find out AE? You can see that this is my right angle triangle. Okay, this is my hypotenuse, and I have told you in the previous video also that base is what? Base is the side in which the angle is formed between hypotenuse and base. Angle of elevation is always formed between hypotenuse and the base. So this is going to be my base and this is going to be my perpendicular. A is going to be my perpendicular. Right. So which trigonometric ratio is going to give me this relation? Sin cos tan PBP PBP HHB. Okay. So who is going to give me this relation? That I am having angle, I have to find out this perpendicular, and base is what? Base is my this similar 28.5. So perpendicular by base ratio is what? It is tan theta. So tangent 45 degree will be equal to perpendicular by base. So tan 45, we know that tan 45 is what? Tan 45 is 1. Perpendicular I have to find out, and my base is what? My base is going to be 28.5 meter. So that means if I will do cross multiplication, then my perpendicular, which is what? Which is my AE. Okay. So this I have done. So now put the value in equation number 1. If I will put the value in equation number 1, what I will get? I will get AB is equal to AE plus 1.5, and AE is what? AE is my 28.5 plus 1.5, which will give me 30 meter. So AB will be equal to 30 meters. So this is the thing which I have to find out by using the trigonometric concept, right? So I have made another video that how to remember the trigonometric ratios without cramming them, so you can see that video first. I have explained two tricks in that video, so whatever you feel is fine for you, you can use that trick in your exam. So you will not need to cram the values, that what is tan 45, what is sin 60. You do not need to cram the complete table. Okay, so moving to question number 4. Question number 4 says what? From a point P on the ground, from a point P on the ground, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower, of the top of a 10-meter tall tower building is 30 degrees. So what is given to you? This is a building. Suppose AB is a building. The height of the building is given to you equal to 10 meter, and from a point P on the ground, the angle of elevation at the top of the tower is equal to 30 degree. Then next, what is given to you? A flag is hosted at the top of the building. A flag is hosted at the top of the building B, and the angle of elevation at the top of the flagstaff from point P is 45. So this time this angle is given to you equal to 45, the angle which is formed at the top of the flag. Then find the length of the flagstaff. You have to find out this length. Let us suppose this length is equal to x meter, and the distance of the building from the point P. Also we have to find out this distance AP. We have to find out two things, AP and BT. Okay, so again you can see that this in this triangle, triangle AB and P. In triangle AB and P, angle of elevation is what? Angle of elevation is your 30 degree. So again this is going to be your base, this is going to be your perpendicular, and this is going to be your hypotenuse. So perpendicular is given to you, you have to find out the base, and angle is also given to you. So which trigonometric ratio will give you this answer? The trigonometric ratio which will give you this answer is, let's check it out, PBP HHB, then perpendicular by base. Perpendicular by base is what? Perpendicular by base relation is given by tan theta. So tan 30 degree is equal to perpendicular by base. Okay, so tan 30 is what? Tan 30 is my 1 by root 3. Perpendicular is what? Perpendicular is my 10, and base is what? Base I have to find out. So cross multiply. If you will do cross multiplication, then base will be equal to 10 root 3 meter. Okay, and in the question it is given to you is that use root 3 is equal to 1.732. So if you will use here 1.732, so you will get 17.32 meter. So base is going to be 17.32 meter. Okay, so it is done. Means base is what? Base is the distance of the building from the point P. Distance of building from point P is equal to 17.32 meter. Okay, next time we will take the next triangle, which is my AP and D. In triangle AP and D, what is my angle? Angle is tangent 45 degree. Again the relation is between perpendicular and base. So my perpendicular and base relation is given by tan ratio, which is equal to perpendicular by base. So this time you can see that when I am taking this angle 45, so my perpendicular is this complete. Okay, and what is this? 10 plus height of flag, which we have imagined equal to x meter. So 10 plus x, and base I have to find out. So tan 45 is what? Tan 45 is 1. This is equal to 10 plus x by b, and if I will do cross multiplication, then base will be equal to 10 plus x meter. Okay, but base Base we have find out. Base is what? Base is my AP. Base we have find out in the previous question, with previous part, which is 17.32 is equal to 10 plus x. So if I will subtract it, then I will get x. Then 7.32 meter is going to be the height of my flag. Okay, these questions are the statement understanding questions. If you are able to understand the statement, then you can solve these kind of questions very easily. There is no such bigger calculations are included in it. Okay, so moving to example number 5, which says that the shadow of a tower standing on a level. So when generally you have seen that when we travel in the sunlight, then our shadow is formed, right? So this question is based upon that shadow which is formed due to the sunlight, right? What does the statement says? The shadow of a tower standing on a level ground is found to be 40 meter. So this time in the question is talking about the shadow of a tower. Suppose this is my tower A, B, and the shadow is 40 meter longer when the sun's altitude is 30 degree, when it is 60 degree. So what does it says? Shadow will be formed at the bottom. So if the shadow is forming here, then it is 40 meter greater than the shadow which is formed when the angle given is equal to 60 meter. Okay, suppose when the angle is 60 degree, then shadow of the tower is formed at this position. So what this is, suppose 60 degree. So where the shadow will be formed? Shadow will be formed 40 meter longer. Shadow is 40 meter longer, means it will be formed at a point which is 40 meter away from this point. This is the point P and this is angle 30 degree. So the question wants to say that the difference between the 2 points when the angle is 60 degree and 30 degree is equal to 40 meter. So you have to find out the shadow of the height of the tower, right? So let us imagine that this distance is x meter and the height of the tower is equal to h meter. So this is going to be my perpendicular, as I have told you the logic. This is going to be my base, and once for this triangle, this bigger triangle, my hypotenuse will be AD, and for my smaller triangle, my hypotenuse will be AC. Okay, so I have to find out the relation between perpendicular and base, right? And angle is given to me. So what will be the relation between perpendicular and base? Which trigonometric ratio tells me the relation? P, B, P, H, H and B. The trigonometric ratio which tells me the relation is tangent. Okay. Tan 30 is what? Tan 30 is my perpendicular by base, which is equal to h upon 40 plus x, which is my base. So tan 30 is what? Tan 30 is my 1 by root 3. This is equal to h upon 40 plus x. So this implies 40 plus x by root 3 is equal to h. Okay. So let's take another triangle. Next triangle is what? In triangle A, B and C. In triangle ABC is what? A, B and C is what? It is tangent 60 degree is equal to perpendicular by base. Perpendicular is h and base is what? Base is my x. So tan 60 is what? Tan 60 is root 3. Root 3 divided by x. Okay. So now you can solve your problem in any manner. So find out the value of h from here. H will be equal to x root 3 is equal to h. Okay. So when you will compare, because both are the values of h, so compare your equation number 1 and 2. 40 plus x by root 3 is equal to x root 3. So when you will do cross multiplication, so what you will get? You will get 40 plus x is equal to root 3 into root 3 is equal to 3x. So now this x will come to the right hand side and it will become 40 is equal to 3x minus x. So that means x is going to be my 20 meter. So that means this distance is 20 meter. But what I have to find out? I have to find out the height of the tower. So height will be what? By putting the value in equation number 2, height is what? Height is my x root 3 and x is my 20 and 20 root 3. So you can find out the value. Now put the value of 1.73. So you can easily find out this value. And the answer is going to be equal to 346 meter. Okay.
If you like this video useful for you, then please do like, share and subscribe my channel so that you can get more updates of my new videos. So if you have any doubts, please add your comments in the comment box. So let's meet in the next video, in which we are going to learn about the remaining questions of exercise 9.1. Till then, take care and bye bye.